everyone, and I'm here with December and January's Loot Crate. I don't have November's, unfortunately, because, again, I forgot to change my information and all that jazz, so that's fun. Let's dive right in. Looks really cool. There's Assassin's Creed Funko Pop. I haven't played, unfortunately, but it looks really cool. A t-shirt! I love t-shirts. They're always so awesome. Oh my god! Oh, not what I thought it was. I thought it was the V for Vendetta mask. I'm not sure what this is. Mr. Robot? I don't know where it's from, but it's so soft and it's black and I like it. And it looks like it'll actually fit. Something with Yoda on it. Ugh. The pop culture photography of Daniel Picard. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god, this is awesome. Oh, hello. I have a kitty behind me. I don't know if you can see her, but she's adorable. Yeah. Another Assassin's Creed thing. Oh, it's they're getting this really fancy this month. With the pin, it is an Assassin's Creed pin, I think, and the theme for this month is Revolution. Cool. Is it Revolution? Yes. I was gonna be like, oh, it might be Resolution because, you know, New Year's and whatnot, but no, it's Revolution. An Independence patch from Firefly. Max tried to get me into it, and I watched a few episodes, but I haven't watched it since, and I really want to get back into it. On to the next. This is January's. Geek. I like the title. It's called Geeky Tiki's. It's the name of the company. Oh, yay! He's so cute. And of course, a t-shirt. Oh my god! Oh, that's awesome! Me and my friends play Mario, like all the Mario games all the time. And it's one of the first games I ever played because my dad was really into it. Like the old school Nintendo. I love this. I'm glad that they're like, the sizes are getting bigger. They used to not fit so well, now they're fitting a lot better. The First Avengers. Oh my god, I'm getting a freaking shield. Captain America's shield. Oh, where'd you go? I got excited. Oh, it's not the round one. It's even cooler. Which, let's talk about how his symbols all look like the Puerto Rican flag, not the American flag. Let's just talk about that for a second. But oh my god, this looks so cool. Dropping all the things. Oh, and it comes with a little stand. That's awesome. Action Comics. Oh, the pin. If I should open it or not. Certificate of authenticity. Maybe I should wait to decide if I want to keep this intact or not. Oh my god. And that is it for these past few months. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll leave all my social media down below. And I have a comedy channel now. If you didn't see my previous video, And I'll leave everything down in the description, and I will see you next time. Bye.